Hello everyone! Ginataang saging para sa Christmas. Filipino dessert, Pinoy dessert, lutong bahay. Namis ang lutong Pinoy, hinhi sa Japan. Keep safe everyone wherever you are in this planet Earth. Take care. Keep safe and may God bless us all. Enjoy watching this short video. Keep smiling while cooking. Take care of your health. Bye bye. May God bless us all.